Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another quick video. Basically what this video is, if your car has a rough idle or when you stop at a light, it feels like it's about to cut off, there's one or two things that you could do. You could clean the throttle body, right? Or we're gonna come to this guy right here, this MAP, or MAF, mass airflow sensor, and we're gonna replace that guy. Anyways, to do so, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get ourselves a Phillips screwdriver, right? We're gonna put a lot of pressure on here, downwards pressure. I put like all my body weight as I'm turning it to loosen it up, right? It's because we don't want to strip that screw. It's very important. And after that, there's a clip right here. I'm gonna take this clip off. Just squeeze on the tab and pull off, and this guy pops right out. Put the new one, order in reverse, and your problem should be solved.